I've just picked up these silicone food containers from the Amazon team. I'm really excited. I'm a massive food prepper, and maybe you are too. So this is going to be really helpful. Let me turn the camera around and we'll take a closer look. Okay, this set is a set of 3. I think they come in different pack sizes and also volumes as well. The really good thing about these being silicone is that, and the perk of people buy these is once you've put in there whatever you want to preserve and freeze it, you can pop it out like a big ice cube and then put that ice cube of deliciousness food that you've prepped maybe into a bag, into a container, and it gives you a lot more space in your freezer to have things. And also an opportunity to maybe cook different sides and mix and match your sides and your mains, which I think is probably what I'm going to be using it for. So it has a metal rim around the side for structure to give it nice and strength. This isn't the blue. I think it has other colours as well, but I went for the blue. And then you got your cup measurements in there so you know exactly how much you're getting. So for me, I'm post-surgery. I probably have in total like maybe 1.5 cups. There's the milliliter sizes as well. Yeah, so for me, my meal size is generally about 400 grams or 400 mils. So I'd probably do a halfway there, or I'd probably do a 1 cup of something in here like a stew, a casserole, a curry. And then I've got some smaller cubes as well, which are also great for my side portion. So what you do is you cook whatever you want to cook. Use the measurements or don't, just eyeball it if you want to. I'm a bit of a fan of the eyeballing school. And then you would put your lid on, and you do get your 3 lids with these, and these are nice and firm, which is great, which means you can stack them without them falling apart. And that metal rim there will also help with the stacking as well. So that if you want to you've got a lot of leftovers. Maybe you do prepping ahead and you like to be ready by using what you've already made, maybe use it throughout the week, or you just like to keep your leftovers but you don't want to eat them that week. This is going to be perfect. So all you would do is you fill up your containers however you wish, put the lid on like so, and then you just put the whole lot in the freezer. And after I'd say about 4 hours, maybe 5, you can remove the lid. You'll literally have an ice cube of food and you just pop it out like that and you'll have a briquette, and you can just transfer that however you wish. And then when you want to cook it, you can even put that in a bowl, into the microwave. If it's maybe a soup you're doing, you can put it into a pan and slowly warm it up in a saucepan if you prefer. Or what I will probably do is, I'm pretty good with knowing what I'm doing, I probably let it do a natural defrost overnight, so the next day it's there. This is going to be perfect if you like to take a hot meal to work and you maybe want to batch cook rice, curry, stew, soups, anything like that at all, and you can just get ahead, put them in the freezer, take your ice cubes out. Most people put them in like a big baggie and then label the baggie. Reuse your baggies, of course, because they certainly can be reused, and do it that way. Or obviously your veggies as well. So maybe you want to do mac and cheese, rice, vegetables, anything like that at all. Pasta, but you can also freeze pasta as well. You can do that as well. So yeah, what a fab little idea. I'm so looking forward to building up a sort of like a library, essentially a pantry stock of little cubes of perfect food for me to have whenever I want to. They feel really, really sturdy, and all you need to do once you've used them up is obviously pop them out and give them a good wash. I'll probably keep mine hand washing. But yeah, what a fab little idea. Whoever thought that was an absolute genius.